Calm down. Why are you rushing so much all the time? Sit down. I have to tell you something. I learned this today. You know, you need to think, you need to observe all the energies you're using in your whole day. What you're thinking, what you're doing, what you're watching, why you're irritated when you're irritated, why you're frustrated when you're frustrated, why you're happy when you're happy. You really need to deep down into those things. You know why? Because even the wrong things you're thinking, even the frustration you have, even the anxiety, anger you have, tells a lot about you. Actually, these things tells what you want in your life. Trust me. For example, I imagine sometimes I imagine like the people from my past. I wish I can tell something and change their thoughts. I wish I can get attention. I wish I can be seen. I wish my words would be heard. I have a mindset. I have energy. Somebody needs. I have thoughts and words somebody needs. I I wish I can make a change. And then I realized rather than trying to change them, the people from my past, I want to analyze that. Why I'm imagining myself speaking to them, why I'm imagining myself. Then I realized I needed attention and I want my words to be seen and I want to make a change. That's it. I was like, okay, take that all energy you're you're putting into those wrong people and take all the knowledge and teach on YouTube. Whatever you have, how much you have, come with it and teach on YouTube because they will never listen. They will never listen. They will never change. They will never, I will never be valuable for them. But there are some people on YouTube who want me, who want people like me, who want mindset like me, who want people who have some lessons like me. I have a lot of healing lessons. I have a lot. I have a lot of things to teach. And this is the thing why I am wasting my energy on the wrong people. This is what I'm trying to tell. Even your every thought, your every action, your every emotion tells what you want in your life. From negative to positive, every emotion tells what you want in your life. So don't force on those emotions. Just understand what they're trying to tell. What I need to learn. And then learn accordingly. Trust me, you're not lost. Maybe you're rushing things. Trust me, rushing will take you nowhere. Nothing happens overnight. I mean, things happen overnight, but nothing happens until you're not ready. Sorry. Nothing happens until you're ready. So, first of all, there will be a lot of situations that will make you ready, and if you're ready for that, you will get it. Nothing happens like this. There is a backstory. There's always will be a backstory. And if you're confused in your life about mostly when you're lost, people say be yourself, be authentic. What does authentic means? You know, from this time after watching this video, go see yourself what you do whole day. Sorry, what you do whole day, what you think, the people you interact with, everything. Just observe. Plus, write down whatever you have overcome and how you overcome them. Like, write everything. Everyone have a past they conquered, they survived, they lived, they have something to teach. I saw a video yesterday. I saw a YouTube reel yesterday which says, if you want blue lights. Okay, so you're a blue light person. You want blue lights. It's like you and what you want. And rather than being a blue light, you're being a red light, you're yellow light, and then there's no meaning complaining that you're not getting those blue lights, whatever you want, because you're not being yourself. Fully know yourself. You know how? Which side you're hiding, honey? If you're not agree with it, don't be agree with it. Don't. Completely end that version, please. Whatever doesn't serve you, no matter how much it hurts, end that. Then you will know. Until you won't remove some things, until you won't remove things you don't want, you can never attract the things you want. Life is not that tough. Trust me, life is not that tough. You just have to slow down. You just have to slow down. Because until you won't be ready for something, nothing will happen. There will be lessons, there will be failures. It's not like this, you're gonna tap into your authentic self. No, it's a process, it's a journey. It depends on how much blockages you have. It's like it took me a lot to understand what I am, and I'm still discovering what I am. It's not a simple journey, it's not a like one overnight journey. It takes time. But please cut off the people who don't serve you, and please observe what you're doing, and please do the things you want to do. Please, there is only one life. No matter how much risky it seems, no matter how much tough it seems, please do the things you want, because you only have one life. You only have one life, honey. There will be no chance. I want to tell you one thing, one very important thing. At the end, nobody will care. At the end, nobody will care whatever you have achieved or didn't achieve. Not your parents too. One day your parents will be just leave, they will retire, they will don't care about anything, and then you will wonder, I did everything for my parents and now they don't care. Nobody is meant to care. Nobody needs to care. If you're still doing anything for someone, honey, I can guarantee you will fail, or you will be unfulfilled. People have their own life, they can manage their whole own life. You don't need to manage for anything, because at the end you will be at the age of 30 or 40 or 50 or 60, whichever you age you want to retire, and then you will realize you did nothing. The people who you bend for never wanted that. You did nothing for yourself, you did nothing for your future. You just ended up making people happy, and then nobody will care, not even your parents, not even your siblings. Nobody will care. When you will die, they will cry for 2 days and they will back to their lives. It's tough to know. I know when I'm speaking, I'm just speaking. Like, please, take care of yourself. Do things for yourself. Understand yourself. Because the only journey worth going for, struggling for, is journey to live your wildest dreams and to become your best self. Only journey is to you. The biggest project is you. Your biggest project is you. Trust me, nothing else matters. You might think things, this thing matter, that thing matter. At the end, nothing matters. Nothing matters and nothing will matter. Nothing will make sense. Life isn't real. It's just what you decide to make. You can literally switch in 2 minutes. People literally cut off people in 2 minutes. One action and they are gone forever. One word and the whole life is changed because nothing is real, honey. Why you're trying to make sense? You will never be able to make sense. Meet you in the next one. Radhe Radhe.